Welcome to CRT Ventures. Today I'm installing B&B Offroad Luggage Rack and Bashplate for the 790 Adventure. First out, build quality is excellent, as usual from B&B. I use B&B on all my bikes. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick vid on weight, and then we'll get into installation. There we go. So, around about 1362 grams. So when I measure the bash plate, we'll add that together, and that's what we'll be installing. So this is the B&B bash plate. Mounting hardware, less instructions. $4,800 grams, plus or minus 20. That's not too bad, especially for the protection you're going to be getting out of it. So, T30. Getting rid of these bolts to remove the old stock belly pan. You're going to take the tank covers off. They go back on later. Righto, bash plate's off. Didn't take very long. So just do a quick inspection of everything, make sure everything's alright, and then yeah, start assembly. Righto, they're the first two bolts in. So if you're not fitting the crash bars, you fit all the bolts plus the fuel tank protectors. So these ones, and then put your fuel tank protectors in using these bolts. Flange bolts by 30, 4 of them, and 4 20mm. Okay, so all the bolts are in loosely, covers are back on, looking pretty good. That gap's really closed up here. Righto, in this step is to remove this bolt on the foot peg and loosen this bolt. So there's a spacer in behind there, which is on the ground here. Alright, bolts back in, spacers there. All fits in perfectly. Good job, B&B. Once again. Just tighten them bolts up, and now it's just fitting the rest of it. Weight before, so I'll just show you the mounting. So that's what comes with it. Comes with a few spacers. So anyway, we'll get ahead with it. Righto. If you're going to keep the grab handles, you use the 6mm spacer at the rear with the M845 bolt and the 26mm spacer at the front with this M8 70mm bolt at the front, if you're keeping the grab handles. But if you're not, there's other spacers you can use if you're removing the grab handles. Okay, so all done. Didn't take very long. B&B, awesome.